Hi guys, Steph here. Now I still get messages from people saying, Steph, how do I buy one of your pens? Well, I've mentioned it before, but quite simply, if you see any pens that you like on my videos, in my pen haul videos especially, get in touch. You can reserve them. That's if they're not already sold. To give you an example, I had a viewer who saw, well, 3 pens that he was interested in, so he reserved them subject to restoration. One of the pens was this particular one here, as you can see. Lovely example as it is, little bit dirty, needs a little bit of attention. And after that attention, here's the pen in question, a gorgeous Parker. This is a Parker Moderne fountain pen, and it comes in this, well, it's a red-lined cream agate pattern. Now, very typical of the period. You can see the barrel there slightly discoloured, unfortunately. There's nothing you can do about it. But all in all, it's a lovely pen. And now it's been restored. It's a lot better than it actually was. You can see here it's got a lovely Parker fountain pen, 14 karat gold nib. And it's actually got this X to the bottom. Anybody knows what that is, get in touch. And then if we turn it round, you can see the feed. It's got the ladder feed there. Everything is lovely and clean. This one is a button filler, as you can see there. And I don't know if you can actually see, just to the rim of the thread, you'll see I've fitted a brand new Crook pressure bar inside. Okay, so there you go. All in full working order, new sack fitted, etc. So there we have it. So that's just one of the pens that he's actually, reserved subject to restoration. Incidentally, for you people that are interested, the size of it is 117 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's approximately 10.5 millimeters in diameter. But as you can see now, a lovely, lovely pen and in working order. So he also basically, well, he actually saw this particular pen here, another lovely pen that just needs a little bit of attention, needs a little bit of a clean up. And here's that particular pen in question as well. Look at that, in gorgeous, gorgeous condition. Let me look over the camera. I don't know if you can see, it's got Parker Dufold there on the barrel imprint. It's got the 2 cap bands, as you can see there, the clip. And as from before the previous video, for some strange reason, this has got a letter K to the clip. But you can see everything now. We've blackened the top, the bottom there. This is also a button fill fountain pen, as you can see there. And as before, it's been fully restored, fully disassembled, new sack fitted, etc. and is now in working order. And again, for you people that are interested, the size of this pen is 114 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 12 millimeters in diameter. Okay, so there's the section. You can see on this one, it's got quite a small section. And there's the nib for you. In this particular case, it's got a Parker 14 karat England, 35, and then the number 4 to the bottom. Okay, there's the feed. It's got the correct, what we term as the Christmas tree feed underneath there. And once again, a lovely pen ready to go. Incidentally, this one I'm dating, I don't know what, 1920s, 1930s. The Moderne before, I would say, was 1930s as well. But yeah, sort of date-wise, 1920s, 1930s, but a gorgeous, gorgeous example now. And last but not least, he saw this particular pen here. There you go, what a gorgeous pen. Needs also a little bit of attention. And after that attention, here's that pen in question. Absolutely stunning. And this one is the Swan Cell Filler. It's the SM205 84, and nice and simple. Obviously it's the 205 model. The 84 indicates it's this lovely emerald green snakeskin. There you go. There's the barrel imprint. To the bottom you've got the SM205-84. But all in all, a stunning, gorgeous pen. There you go. To the top we've got this logo. We've got the swan clip there. Just a single cap on this particular model. And for you people that know or don't know, you've got on these particular models, you've got what we term as an ebonite lever. So very nice indeed. Let's take the cap off. Now the problem I had with this particular pen, it actually had the wrong section for some reason. So I had to find another section for the pen. And basically, as you can see, we've got the correct section on the pen now. Absolutely gorgeous pen. Okay, there's the nib to it. It's got a lovely Swan #2, maybe Todd and Company nib. The feed, there you go. The feed's got Swan to it. It's got lovely, well, everything is lovely and clean as it should be. But this one is an absolutely stunning example. And the size, for you people that like to know, is on this one 123 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's approximately 11.5 in diameter. And dating this pen, I would say nice and simply 1940s. But yeah, the snakeskin pens are very, very sought after. And as you can see on this one, it's absolutely gorgeous. So there we have it. How can I buy your pen, Steph? Do as this particular gentleman has done. See a pen that you like, contact me, reserve it, subject to restoration. And all these pens will be, well, these will all be travelling overseas to the new owner. So we've got a lovely Swan snakeskin pen, a gorgeous Parker Dufold in red, and last but not least, this lovely cream red veined agate Parker Moderne. So well done to the gentleman that has actually reserved these pens. I hope you enjoy looking at, well, I hope you enjoy these pens when you get them. I hope you people enjoy looking at the pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below, leave a comment. Don't be shy. Don't forget to subscribe as well. You'll miss a video maybe. And give the video a thumbs up. You're still not doing it, people. Just down there, press that thumbs up symbol. So there you have it. That's how you actually, well, how you get one of my pens. Don't be shy. Contact me and you'll be surprised. Some of them obviously are not available anymore. They're sold. but a lot of them are still available, so don't be shy, get in contact. So for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Kriini from me and these gorgeous pens. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.